Hi, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Paul, Raymond, Kasyong. Good to see everyone here. Good morning. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we have a interesting morning today. Okay, I wake up this morning. I actually wake up this morning and say, "Wow, market down so much, right?" Okay, so the graduate should be fearful. Okay, so let's do something together, calm the nerve, and make sure y'all don't do the wrong thing. Okay, so the objective is mainly for my SMT graduates, but I guess why not just open up to everyone. Okay, so good morning, Sheldon. Wow, Maguru also here. I always follow you, and okay, you got so interesting posts. Okay, Chong, Larry, Ernie, who else? Kasyong. Okay, good to see everyone here. Okay, so okay, context is first thing first. Whatever I share is for education and for fun only. It's not advice to buy and sell. Okay, if you agree, please give me a thumbs up. We change. I don't always give yes. Okay. Yes, yeah, breakfast already. Okay, so whatever I share with you all is for education and for entertainment only. So if you agree, please give me a thumbs up. So it's not advice to buy and sell. Okay. So make sure, can you give me a thumbs up so that we are all on the same page. Okay. Later we go through the stocks. SMT graduates, I'll go through the portfolio with you all, and then we'll go through the market also. Okay. So give me a thumbs up so we can get started. Okay. Thumbs up in the post. I like the post. Okay. Not give me a comment thumbs up. Okay. Anyway, let's get started. Okay. So I think I will go through a little change. Okay. I will first go through the portfolio we have first, and then later then we go through the market. Okay, because you all will be very concerned. I think maybe we go through the market last. Okay, we go through our current portfolio first, then we go through your stocks. I think you all have so much question about your stocks, so I want to give that priority. Okay, and then lastly we will go through the market trend. Okay, Ken. Okay, we will go through first STI. All this we go to last. Okay, so we go through our portfolio first. What to do with our portfolio. And then second thing we will go through is the your stocks. Okay, I think you'll have a lot of questions about your stocks, what to do with them. Okay, so I'll give you my view. And then lastly, we'll go through the market. Ken, are we good? Okay, please like and share this post. Okay, so first thing first, we must find our portfolio of stocks first. Okay, where is the best place to go? Let's go through. I haven't prepared my portfolio of stocks. Okay, hang on. Let me see whether I can prepare my portfolio of stocks here. Okay, let's just use here. Okay, so first thing first. Okay, we have PASS. Okay, these are all our weekly. For people who are public, right? You're at work, right? This session will be Facebook Live, so it'll be recorded in the Facebook Live later. Okay, so I won't delete it. Okay, so for people who are not familiar, every week we do a webinar. Okay, and then we will so-called maintain a portfolio, and then after that every week we will follow through with the stocks. Okay, so example, I started this since February. Okay, February was the first time I started this. Previously I didn't do any like maintain a portfolio. Then since then I started in 17th February where I pick up Zoom. Okay, ZM was the first stock that I picked up during then. Okay, and till date we are still holding on to Zoom is where here 17th February, right? So every Monday 10:30 we'll do a weekly webinar. We maintain this portfolio, and then and we follow lah. Okay, so we follow the system. Okay, so these are the list of stocks that we have, and then we're going to go through because today market down a lot, right? So let's go through what we should do. Okay, using the system. Okay, so first thing first is I'm thinking where's the best way to do it, because I also have this under my watch list. So maybe I'll go through them here. Okay, hang on. So first thing first is the first stock is we have here is PASS. Okay, PASS is the first stock over here. PAAS. Okay, so this is the first stock over here. So yesterday was this move down. Okay, was this move down? Support is right now over at this level. So at this moment, there is nothing. If you are following the system, there is nothing you need to do. Okay, basically just hang on to the stock. This is just the most recent stock that we pick up. That was on the 1st of June. Okay, 1st of June, and then should we go from behind to the front or front to back? Behind. I think more logically you go from behind to front, right? Okay. Samura, do again. Okay, so we'll go from behind to front. Okay. So first one was ZM. Okay, ZM was the first stock we picked on the 17th of February. 17th of February. So this one is still a hold. Okay, in fact, yesterday still up a bit. Wow, some power. Okay, yesterday still up a bit. Okay, there's a tail over here, but since 17th of February, it's basically just hold. So very simple. What you want to do is wait for the green arrow. Okay, and then after that, right now no sell signal. Let's hang on. Okay, yes or no? Okay, so just hang on and wait for the thing. Okay, don't anticipate. Okay, don't anticipate to sell. Okay, so ZM basically just hanging on. Who still have ZM? You have ZM, type ZM. Okay, so basically nothing. Okay, it's still a very strong stock. In fact, okay, it's a very strong stock. Still going up when the market is down. Okay. Second one was RENG. Okay, 2nd of March. Okay, so REGN. Okay. Now you all know I'm really dyslexic, right? Because I always read all the numbers, letters all wrong one. Okay, so some of you are still holding ZM, some of them maybe not around. Maybe some of you are working. Wow, we got 300 people. Okay, you all no need to work one. Very good. Okay. So that was in March that we got in. Yesterday's candle down is basically this one. Okay, this candle down, nothing much. Okay, wait for candle to turn red. I don't think we'll turn red so fast. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, just hang on and ride the trend. Okay, so any questions so far? If you have any questions, feel free to type in. Don't need to ask your stock first because right now we're just going through our portfolio first. Okay. And then after that, we go through the rest of the stocks. Okay, so after that was RENG, then mRNA. who still have mRNA? And I believe quite a lot of you all still have mRNA, right? So this one also same, no exit. Basically, this was the candle over here, waiting for the candle to turn red. This one, just wait lah. Very close already. Okay, so once this thing goes below 0, then we'll exit. Okay, mRNA. This one we got in somewhere in April. Okay, so okay lah. When you exit, maybe around 60%, still profitable, right? Okay. Next one is because right now it's about 70%, but if let's say it drop below, then it will be at 60%. Still okay. Okay, so next one is mRNA. Next one is PTD. Okay, PTD is the next one. I'll go through quickly, okay, because I don't know how many of y'all still have this. PTD is yesterday also quite strong, actually. Okay, so we have yesterday this PTD open high, close low. Okay, still hanging on to the stock. Who has PTD? Oh, no comment now. mRNA you have. Please type mRNA. PTD you have. Please type in PTD. Okay. Hang on. Okay, nothing much you need to do. Market was down. In fact, this one is still quite strong also. Okay, so open low, close high, but this one still there's a tail here, but still up. Okay, still up. We got in around here. The date was PTD 11th of May. We got in around here. So okay lah, you still got 30% people all crying already, right? Crowd. Okay, mRNA you also have, right? Okay, so next is I'll go through quickly, okay, if you don't mind, because I think Your priority is your stocks. Okay. My portfolio is this is TESY. TESY. ETSY. If you are really dyslexic, you will know that it's a challenge. Okay. ETSY price is going sideways. I think we got it around here. Okay, price is like still around here. I think this stock soon will also go below zero already. Okay, can you see here? So if you got in here, get out. Okay lah. Okay, it went up a bit, but eventually 10%. Now it's down slightly. Okay, hang on. Okay, we go through all the stocks. Don't worry. Okay. Next one is BYND. Who have BYND? If you have, please type in your stocks. Okay. BY. Who still have Beyond Meat? Okay. ETSY, some of you have, right? Okay. Beyond Meat, we got in when? Beyond Meat, we got in 11th of May or so. 11th of May is, I think it's here. This is 6. How can I go 11th of May one? Okay, never mind. Here, okay, 11. So still up about 7%. Hang on, okay? Hang on, okay, guys? Don't need to kanchiong, okay? Okay, don't need to kanchiong. Wait for candlestick turn rate, okay? Next is NVDA. NVDA. NVDA, okay? This one yesterday break new high, yes or no? Yesterday break new high, right now it's here. I think this one maybe won't even turn red, okay? Let's hang on. Who have NVDA? Okay, NVDA, this is a stock over here, NVDA. Next one is HZNP. Am I too fast? Okay, right? So basically, just wait for candlestick turn rate. Okay, basically just wait for candlestick turn rate. This one, right? This one break below the support. Okay, can you see here? Break below support. For me, I will still wait for candlestick turn rate. Okay, for me, I'll still wait for candlestick turn rate. I will not do anything. Okay, who have HZNP? HZNP, if you have type HZNP. Okay, so HZNP, I will still wait for candlestick turn rate to exit. I will not get out now. Okay, I will not get out now. Okay, I will wait for price to turn. Okay, so you can look at the chart. It's like that. Oh, so right now the CCI is low. Just hang on first. Okay, eventually, so we are in the point of time, right? Market was gap down a lot. Yes or no? Market moved down a lot. If there's a follow through, if there's a follow through of this selling pressure, then most likely some of these stocks will turn red eventually. Do you follow what I'm saying? Most of these stocks will turn red eventually. So once it turn red, you get out. Okay. The point is we do not know whether it is going to follow through. Okay. Even though I always post it on my own personal Facebook group, market is topping, you know, all these millennials is trying to like mock Warren Buffett and things like that. It shows that market is topping. Okay, it shows that market is topping. Okay. But you cannot just use all this news to trade. Yes or no? You still need to have a system. You still have a system to trade. So that's why we still follow a system. If not, we keep reading news. We'll get in and out wrongly. Okay. Next one is COUP. Okay. Members of public don't anyhow go in and out. Okay. If you just follow tips like that, it's very risky. Okay. It's very risky because COUP basically just hang on to the stock. Okay, support is around here. Okay, support is at the dotted red line over here. So you can use the dotted red line as a guide. Okay, those that did HZNP, I suggest you wait for candlestick turn rate rather than to wait for the trailing stop. Okay. Next is going to finish soon. COUP, WORK. Work, okay. So this one also emotional roller coaster, right? Bought here, went up 14%, now down 11%. Yes or no? emotional roller coaster. Basically, just wait for candlestick turn rate also. Okay, so frankly, yesterday's drop, most of the stocks did not candlestick turn rate. Okay, but once the candlestick turn rate, then exit. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, we do not know whether the selling pressure is going to follow through or not. Basically, what you do, you have a system, you follow a system, you want to don't anyhow sell. Got it? Usually it's like that. Okay, usually if the market down a lot, usually will trigger what we call margin call. Okay, we call it trigger margin call. So when trigger margin call, it may have that follow through effect. Okay, so if you turn rate, then turn rate. Don't need to anticipate. Okay, don't need to almost turn rate also. Turn rate already. After turn rate already, next day then sell. Okay, so now let's look at your stocks. Okay, let's look at your stocks. I went through my portfolio already. Any question on my portfolio first? Any question on my portfolio? No, it's quite lagging. Let me see any other stocks. This one, okay, let's Gabriel. Gabriel got Facebook, daily charts. Oh, this Facebook, same thing. Okay, candlestick turn rate to exit. Okay, so I mentioned in the webinar, that Nasdaq, right? Remember Monday I talked about Nasdaq. Nasdaq tend to have this false breakout thing. Yes or no? Oh, tend to have this false breakout thing. So need to just watch out for that because this is like a stock there. Okay, so MBND. Okay, type in your stocks. Please put in your time frame also. For graduates, please put in your time frame. For non-graduates, then no need put in time frame because you won't know what we're talking about time frame here, right? So next one is NVDA, finish already. MBD, right? MDB. Okay, so next one also same. Okay, wait for candlestick turn rate. Okay, so let's have some context, right, guys? This one is the context. Got it? This one is the context. So we have uptrend. We have the uptrend. This is the pullback. Okay, this is the pullback. This is the context. Got it? Okay, just to share with you what is the context. Okay. Next is, wow, there's so many. AL, MDB, Cook finish already, right? So Gabriel, I finished yours, Gabriel. Who else? Michael, MSFT. Okay, so if you are SMT graduate, very simple. Just follow Trader GPS. Okay, just follow Trader GPS. Okay. Okay, there's a breakout here. Don't anticipate also, guys. Okay, there's a breakout here, and then you see a breakout and then coming back. Okay, so what happened is, why we have false breakout is because people do support resistance one. Most people do support resistance one. That's why we say we have arrow here. We must trigger. There's no trigger, right? I hope you didn't buy this one, right? There's no trigger here. Okay, so there's arrow here. There's no trigger here. Oh. Okay, so this one no trigger. If you are buying, then Michael, are you SMT graduate? This one is not a trigger, okay, because I haven't break high yet. Okay. Next is ALB. By the way, give me like and some people cry, got cry, sad face. ALB, okay. This one not so good. Okay, so go to here, daily chart. This is not a good stock. Okay, this is a downtrend stock. I think you're not SMT graduate. Okay, this one. Yes or no? This one not a good stock. Yes or no? Didn't break 6-month high also. Facebook user, are you a SMT graduate? Didn't break 6-month high also. Yes or no? Okay, this one is not a good stock, right? Okay. Next is Amazon. Amazon. So when you're dyslexic, you really see things differently, one. Like when I read out, and when I say out there, I know, it's different. Okay. Amazon, basically just hang on. Okay. Hang on to the trade. Support is around 2,436. Okay. 2,436. Next is Google. Google here. Google have not break new high, right? Okay, have not break new high. So this one, I think, hang on first. Sorry, this one is not a good trade also, because usually what we want to do is with the arrow, you want to look for break new high, break of not new high, break a 6 months high. Okay, this one didn't. Okay, so this one, I would say all these stocks are just now that Apple is on a Google is on a sideways trend. Okay, Google is on a sideways trend. So this is like the range. Okay, so likelihood, right? This will be the range. Okay, so that means it's like this range. So it means from here, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. Okay, so it's like a range trade. Okay. VIX, I don't look at VIX. I don't look at VIX. Okay. Because it's not too complicated. JB Jun Yao, yes, I spoke to you, right? JB HT. Wow, what sort is this? This stock also did not break 6 month high, Jun Yao. Got break or here. Just broke 6 month high and break down. Okay. Oh, this one, right? I think it went in here, right? Oh, I think it went in here. Just broke 6 month high, force breakout, and then break down. Okay. This one, I think, not good. Okay. I will sell. Okay. I will sell. Okay. Now I'm teaching you how to break the rules. I will sell this stock because the way it moves, right? Like it breaks, if a force breakout like that. Okay, false breakout like that, and then after that it's so fast reverse. Even though the candlestick return rate, I will get out. Okay, because something is wrong. Something is wrong. Okay. Buy strong stocks. Okay. Next one is OKTA swing trade. OKTA swing trade. Swing trade is like that. Stop out already, right? Yes or no? Okay, stop out already because you're winning the current swing or the previous swing. If your current swing is this one, or the price come down, CCI low, you get in here. Okay, break the prior day high, you get in. Yes or no? Break the prior day high, which is this candle here, you get in. Okay, stop loss will be here below here. So next day, stop out already. Oh, Jessica. Remember the stop out. Okay, if you're trading 100%, then you're looking for 100%, don't have. Okay, don't have 100%. Okay, so Jessica and Madeline, get out. Okay, wait for the next trade. Do not go and hope. Okay, this is about maybe 4% or slightly higher, 5%. Get out. Then later part, then look for the next swing trade. Got it? Or you bought earlier one. Okay, so what was the stop now? Okay, never mind. Starbucks short. Yeah, Starbucks short I like. Yeah, do you have a Starbucks short? Yeah, I have a Starbucks short. SUBX. I think we have, right? SBUX. I think we have a Starbucks short, right? Let me see. Oh, it was UAL. We don't have Starbucks short. But I saw this short. Maybe is screener here. Then swing, right? Is it? I don't know lah. Anyway, okay. So this is downtrend. Okay, this downtrend basically just hang on to the down. Okay, hang on to the down. Price will maybe go back down to here. Okay. But how come I thought about this Starbucks short before? Okay, anyway. Okay, never mind. We did have a short. Our short is this one. Our short is weekly short. Not triggered. This is the old one. The new one is UAL stop short. Anybody short UAL? Oh, we have a short on UAL. Oh. No, this is a daily chart, weekly charts like that. Oh, we have a short on UAL. Okay. Next one is let me see. So many stock. Tesla position. Jasmine, if you don't do swing trade, cannot. You do position trading better. Okay. Oh, Jasmine, don't do swing trade. Okay. Tesla, hang on. I think it's quite strong. Okay, Tesla is quite strong. It's breaking out new high. There's an arrow here. Okay, I think it's quite strong. Okay, so the support is around here. Okay. Effect of gap. Don't need to look at all this stuff. Okay, if you want to look at all this stuff, then very headache, right? Just don't need to work for news. Okay. Next one is NBIX. Am I too fast? Am I too fast? No, right? Okay, I do NBIX. Basically, just hang on. Nothing to do, right? Hang on to the trade. Okay. Wait for candlestick to turn red, guys. Okay. Okay. So usually, let's say example, break new high. Okay, candlestick turn red will be here. Okay. So at this point, we don't know whether it will turn red. Okay. Let's go faster a bit because got so many stocks. Wow. Okay. Why not do swing daily SQ position? SQ position. I think most of you are SMT graduates. Okay. SQ, is that right? Okay. Nothing. Okay. Nothing. Okay. So I think the easiest thing, right, is to what you want to do is you don't anticipate. Okay, don't anticipate like 5% drop. I mean, wow, anyhow cut. Do you follow what I'm saying? You see a lot of stocks, even though there's price down. Okay, even though there's price down, it is not like anyhow cut the stock. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, what you want to do is really have a way, to trade, rather than you anyhow get in and out. I think that is the takeaway, okay, if anything. Okay, so BASS I went through it just now. Okay, BASS I went through it. Facebook weekly position. Facebook weekly position. That means you are investor kind, right? I think it's still a hold. Okay, it's still a hold. Weekly position. Got it? It's still a hold. Got it? Daily position also the same. Okay, it's still a hold. Okay. JD I think is still a hold. Okay. Yesterday down here, still a hold. Okay. If not, you get like sampan. You don't want to be sampan in the ocean, right? You want to have a way. Okay. Those that I skip one, you want me to go through again, then let me go through, okay? Because I went down, okay? If not, I cannot catch up with you all. Okay, so wow, so fast again. TTD. TTD is what trade? Bienbo. Are you SMT graduate? Hang on also, right? Okay, hang on also. Let me give you a clue. Okay, let me give you a clue. Let's look at Nasdaq first. Let me give you a clue. The clue is like that. If we have this, if this is trend up, yes or no? This is Nasdaq trend up, yes or no? Okay, we have the breakout, yes or no? So how do we know that? Okay, let me ask you a quiz. How do we know that right now this is going to follow through or not? That means it's going to downtrend or not? Don't assume. Please don't assume it's going to downtrend. How do we know that it's going to downtrend? Okay, or at least don't buy. How do we know? Right now it's still uptrend, right? Okay, but how do we know that it's going downtrend? Quiz. If a false breakout, yes or no? But how do we know is something is wrong? Lower low will be a bit too long already. Lower low, very simple one. The simplest one. Break trend line still a bit hard to see. Yes or no? Break MA lah, correct. Break MA, which one? Go below 40 MA. You're very good. Okay. Go below the 40. MA flattened too long already. Okay. So this is like the defense. Do you follow what I'm saying? This blue line here. This blue line here is like the defense. Okay. Do you follow what I'm saying? This blue line here, like look at the February when it dropped, right? Boom. Once it dropped below the blue line, you see how much it dropped. Boom. Went down, right? Correct or not? Okay, let's look at the February that time, right? Okay. February, we have first few days. February down, still not yet. Okay. Because why? Prior to that, we have down move and then go up again. Down move and then go up again. Yes or no? Then we have a down move, then get below the blue line. Yes or no? Get below the blue line. So once it get below the blue line, once it break below the blue line, must be careful lah. So you don't anticipate that when it drop into the MA is a buy. So the blue line becomes a support. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, the blue line becomes a support. So if let's say the price goes below here, that means usually it's going up. Okay, the 2040 MA is our buy zone. Okay, why not 20 MA? Because 2040 MA is our buy zone. Okay, so this is actually our buy zone when the CCI is low. This is actually our swing trade setup. Okay, so 20 MA represent a trader's line, which is like a short-term view. Okay, the important thing is really the 40 MA. Okay, not the 20 MA. Okay, the 40 MA is the main thing. The only thing right now we're going to look at is the move down. The move down is impulsive or corrective. Okay, this is impulsive or corrective. This is impulsive, yes or no? Okay, this is impulsive down. So when it's impulsive down, then you cannot go long already, yes or no? Okay, you can only see whether you should cover your short because it's an impulsive down. Got it? Okay. Oh, this is impulsive, not corrective. So long candle, how can it be corrective? It cannot be corrective or impulsive. Corrective is short candles. Okay, impulsive is long candles. Okay, this is it. This compared to this one is long. Yes or no? Okay. Okay. So don't need to anticipate. Even your position, your whatever trade you're doing, don't need to anticipate. Just wait for the signal. Okay. So can you all see that the trader's GPS, just now I went through all these stocks, right? It's telling you the same thing. Yes or no? It's telling you the same thing. Yes or no? Okay. So don't be emotional. Okay. Don't be emotional over the trade. Got it? Okay. So any other stocks? So if you 20 crossover 40, this kind will be a bit slightly slower already. Okay. So we don't need to wait for it to drop below here to know that it's down, because when it's here already a bit slow already. So just look at this one can already. Got it? Okay. So don't anticipate lah. Okay. 24 foot truck coming down. Okay. Nike position trade. Nike. Wow, you all no need to work one now. How can see stock one now? So good life. Okay. Nike weekly position, right? I think when the result come out, right, a lot of stocks may be affected. Okay, so just to have something in mind. Okay, when the stock out, when the result out, a lot of stocks will be affected. This one haven't triggered, right? Facebook user Haven't triggered. So Nike, right? You need to wait for the clear the high. This one haven't triggered, so don't get in yet. Okay, you must clear above this high. Clear above this high. Then I think it's a better trigger. Okay. If not, then it looks like a double top. Okay. Don't need to get in. Okay. Goldie SWKS. SWKS. Daily position. Okay, let's look at daily position. You went in here, that must be ground. Break new high, coming down. Nothing much to do. Okay, so right now, resistance turn support. Okay, resistance and support. So you will see whether next few days it will hang on to the resistance and support. Okay, got it? And don't anticipate the Nasdaq will definitely be force breakout. It can force break already, then still do the other side. Do you follow what I'm saying? So don't anticipate Okay, so next one is join SNT, quit your job. I think it's not a good idea. Or you already quitted. Okay, unless you can make like half salary. Like some people, right? If you do this, then can do like half your monthly salary. Let's say you do part-time and can make like half your monthly salary doing swing trade, position trade, or whatever trade, right? You can make half already. Then either you can do it on your own, or you can talk to me. If you have consistent result already, then we can see how to maybe do prop trading, and prop trading now can do it at home also if you want to do that also. Okay. Break 40 MA, does it apply only to stocks or index? Same for stocks also. So when you break 40 MA, the candle will turn red also. Okay, so don't worry. Okay. Hubs daily position. Hubs. So nothing. Okay. George, just hang on to the trade. I know you'll get emotional, but basically just hang on to the trade. Okay. Cannot, I trade so small. Yeah. Aiming to is a capital, is a function of capital also. Okay, so if I want advice, is to do it slowly. Okay, do it slowly. That means I see a lot of people after SMT, immediately like, hey, next week I want to make back a cost fee. I'm very scared. Do you know what I'm saying? So you want to be profitable not just for the next one trade. You want to be profitable for the next 100 trade. That's why I mentioned, right? You'll be profitable for the next 100 trade. So don't go and like, I must, all in, because the GPS is not like that. Okay. So and those BY and DY already covered already. Okay. So later you can go through the previous trade. Okay. So this one hang on, but this one I don't think is in the traders GPS signal because it's only a $5 stock. Okay, but anyway, let's analyze this. Okay, so this is a breakout. Come back to the resistance. This stock is going to be noisy. Okay, so if you take out here, right, you notice that this stock is a noisy stock. It's a penny stock. Okay, so a lot of gap up, gap down, gap up, gap down. This kind of stock I wouldn't touch. Okay, but if you want to touch this kind of stock, then must have a way. Okay, either do a shorter term trade, like a swing trade or something like that. But I wouldn't touch this kind of stock. Okay, ILMN. Okay. Position trade, right? So basically position trade, ILMN. So I think it's the same thing. Resistance, breakout, turn support. Okay, resistance, breakout, turn support. The only thing is this move is very impulsive. It's very impulsive. Let's see whether this move can hold or not. Okay, if it doesn't hold, then candle will turn red. Okay. What else can we see? Okay. So resistance here, we have a 6-month high. Let me see. Okay, Ronston, right? I think you're a new graduate, right? Ronston. Are you a new graduate? This one, I would think also get out. Okay, because I see, right? The 6 month is like that. 6 months is like that. So you have a 6 month high. 1 year is like that. Also, where 1 year I saw, there's a resistance here. When I saw after that zoom out again, then you see, wow, like a triple top. Okay, so so for this stock, because it's so impulsive, okay, I will break my rules. I will get out. Okay, I will get out. Okay, usually I don't advise you all break rules one, because if don't have me, then how? You know, so that's the challenge. If not, then you wait for next few days. If it continue to move down, okay, we're gonna move down. The price gonna move down. Then you will get out. Okay, but I see that this move is very impulsive. Yes or no? Apple position. Okay, this Apple position trade. Hang on, okay, Apple position trade. So certain stocks are still strike strong. Okay, you can see, right? Apple, all these are quite strong. Why they have pullback? It's because they are just far from MA. I covered this in Monday, right? On Monday, right? Okay, they're just far from MA. So this is like pullback. Got it? So a lot of stocks are very far from my MA. Can you see private is very far from my MA line? Break 40 MA, is it indications to short? No, not indication to short. Okay, so if you here, right, if you break 40 MA here, it's an indication to close up your long. Okay, to short, you need to wait for the MA to turn the other way around. Okay, that means 20 below 40, then you can look for a rally to short. Do you follow what I'm saying? So you don't like cross here in this side, because they have sometimes have false breakdown one. Okay, like example here, you see, this is a false breakdown. Got it? So doesn't mean immediately short. Okay, to short the MA must turn the other way around. It means from this way, turn the other way around. The price, right, from here goes down. You cover your short. If it continue to go downwards, go back up this way, then this part is your short. So here don't have, right? Here it's just basically just close your long, but doesn't mean do your short. Okay. Next one is, wow, so many. So Ronston, the one just now I told you is special case one. Okay, usually it does follow the trade. Okay. And I really don't encourage you all to anyhow get in and out. We don't like too many discretion, because with too many discretion, then how to get in and out is very challenging. Okay, swing trade not yet, right? Swing trade, you need to wait for price to go back down to the MA here, like that, or like that, right? Then you can swing. Right now, this one cannot swing. Wait for it to come down first. This MA catch up ready. The CCI go down here, then you can swing. So not yet, Alfred. Where else? Morning, Rayson. Okay. And that's why I mentioned in the webinar already, right, guys? Don't like once you start, then swing trade. Okay, guys. I also very scared. Once you start, swing trade already. Okay, don't do that. Okay. This is swing trade, right? Enter here, stop loss here. The price went up a bit, didn't go up. I think it's a stop loss, this one. Okay, I think it'll be a stop loss. Okay, I mentioned in the systematic graduates group, right, that so many things, right? Please go and commandment of trading. Okay, focus on trading well. Okay, know your payoff ratio, have a trade plan, know your profit target and stop loss. Write down your trade, review your trades, set process goal, take responsibility of your trade, positive expectation, and that stuff like that. Okay, so important is don't over trade. Okay, I mentioned yesterday, I mentioned today already. Don't overdo it. Okay. But nowadays the graduate group is very active. So active I cannot find my own post already nowadays. Okay. So this is yesterday one, most recent. Okay. So KL having bubble, really. You look at all the KL stocks, right? It's a bubble stock. Okay. Shared this on Facebook yesterday. Don't overtrade. Position sizing. Yesterday I mentioned this already. Right? Position sizing is the key. Okay, don't overtrade. I cannot find my own post. Never mind. Okay. Next one. Let's continue. Okay, because there's still a lot of stocks that take a look. PAS I covered already just now. Okay, Adobe. Okay, context is like that. Okay, you're doing position, right? Position, just hang on. Okay, nothing much. Okay, so now the big question mark for a lot of tech stock is that a false breakout or is it just a retracement? Yes or no? Don't anticipate. Okay, the answer is I don't know. Okay, but if you're talking about long term trend, you know my view already. Like almost every day, or every few days, I put at the market, right? My Facebook, right? Yeah, it's like that one. Okay, the millennial investor, right? They come in, right? Throughout when the market correct, right? Then they go in. Every time they dip, they buy on dip, they make money. Do you follow what I'm saying? Every time they buy on dip, they make money. Buy on dip, they make money. So, for example, they buy on dip, make money. Buy on dip, make money. This time around, the stock go down. They assume buy on dip, make money. It can be still a buy on dip, make money. Okay, like example, we talk about like CCI like that, right? But there will come one day, right, when you buy on dip and then don't make money. Do you follow what I'm saying? The day I don't know when, but it will create the kind of false belief that every dip you buy will make money. Right? Same thing over here. You see, when the price go up, you buy on dip, make money, buy on dip, make money, right? Or the CCI low here, right? But there will come a time, right? Okay, there will come a time when you buy on dip, you don't cut loss, then liao already. Do you follow what I'm saying? Same thing. Okay, so this is basically analyzing what the newbie traders are doing. So this time drop, it can possibly still rebound. Okay, if let's say they are just so euphoric, it can still rebound. Okay, but if it doesn't rebound, you better cut. Okay. Next one is Trader GPS don't have function. The function of Trader GPS is on the members area. Okay, go to members area here. Go to the trade management template over here. Okay, trade management template over here. That is where you can do that. Business is good. Can't remember God's. Can't remember God's 10 commandment. Remember the traders GPS 10 commandment. That's the way. Yeah, that's print out, right? Okay. I think that's print out. Okay, so let's go through, right? Disney daily position. I think the psychology, right, should be I want to make money the next 10 years. I don't make money the next 1 month. Because if you think I'm going to make money for next 10 years, you'll be more 小心, right? More careful. If you want to make money the next 1 month, wow, signal buy or do you follow what I'm saying? So that is very, very important psychology. Okay. The fact is, it's easier long term than short term. It's easier long term than short term. Yes or no? The fact is like that one. Okay. So Disney daily position, daily position is not a buy signal. It didn't break 6-month high. In terms of scanning, I don't think it appears also. it's not a trade that we will trade. Yes or no? Okay. Even for position weekly, it is not a trade that we will trade. You see the mode here is still bearish. Yes or no? Either you go to daily chart or you go to weekly chart, the mode here is still bearish. It's not a stock that we will touch. Okay. Hong Kong and China stock, is it a better playing field? No. Hong Kong and China is even more challenging. Okay. Hong Kong stocks, you see the Hong Kong stock, right? All crazy one. And when they correct, because a lot of them went parabolic, they like to 炒股票, right? So 炒 at the end of the day, sure 炒 until the hand burn one. Oh, so you have stocks that are very, very 夸张 one. Okay. You see? All this stock like that one. Okay. A lot like that. Some of them beginning, but you see the KL one even worse. Not say worse, even more got this kind of speculative behavior, even more. Oh, so depend. If you want to swim with the shark, can. I prefer not to. Okay, you see all these stocks like that. This one, all crazy one. Okay. So usually, okay, what usually like that? If a trend is like that, right? If a trend is like that, it's sustainable. If an uptrend is like that, it's sustainable. Okay. If a trend is like this one, like that, it's not sustainable. Can you all see? If a stock got correction and go up like that, it's sustainable uptrend. If a stock once that go parabolic, not sustainable. Okay, so you see a lot of these stocks, right? It's not sustainable one. This kind of stock is parabolic already. Also, it's not sustainable. Okay. Sorry, guys. Sometimes I skip your question. If you all have question, can ask again. Okay. Please give me like also. For graduates, right? For non-graduates, you all join us in our community. Okay. Do commercial or what? It's just like, where is my community? Okay, here. Join us in our community. Okay, graduates, I need your support. Okay. If you all recommend SMT community, can you all put SMT? Thank you very much. Okay, we don't have the perfect community. We don't have perfect community. Okay, what we do is, my life work is to do this. Every week, do weekly webinar, teach a system. Okay, so that you can remove emotions. Don't overtrade. Follow the principle of trading, and over time, be profitable. That's what I do. Okay. And even in real life, trading don't have perfect one. Don't have like, the most good method one. Don't have one. Okay. The best method is the method that you don't have emotion, you have a system, and you just do it over time, be profitable. That's all. There are times where you're wrong, there's times where you're right, but over time, you're profitable. I show you all these stocks, right? You just follow the signal, generally, you'll be okay. Isn't it? Thank you for SMT graduate support. Okay. Join our secret society. Okay. Okay, now, if let's say you will say, this is my best method, my hit rate is 99%. Okay, or my hit rate is 90%. Hey, by the way, you want to learn how to do 90% hit rate? Oh, don't write in the SMT graduate group. Please write in the public group. Okay, please write in the public group. Okay, most of you are graduate. Okay, but then right. By the way, let me go through this. Okay, how many want to learn 90% hit rate strategy? Type yes. Okay, have fun. How many want to learn 90% hit rate strategy? Don't have one. But let me show you a 90% hit rate strategy, which doesn't work. Okay, it's like that. Okay, you buy a stock, any stock, right? You buy a stock, let's say at $1. Okay, your take profit, right, is $1.02. Okay, and your stop loss is going to be 50 cents. Please don't follow. I'm just making fun, right? Okay, it is. Then is it very, very likely you will make that 2%? Yes or not? Yes lah, girl. even though the stock go down, if you don't hit your 50 cent, eventually you'll make your 2%, right? Yes or not? Is it 90% hit rate? Most likely it's 90% hit rate. Yes or not? But if you are wrong, then you liao liao lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? This is not a sound strategy. This is not a sound strategy. So some people, they boast, hey, I got hit rate 90%. But when you wrong, how is it? Do you follow what I'm saying? That is the key. Okay, so hit rate itself, 90% hit rate, 99% hit rate, not important one. Not important. Because I can just $1, then make $1 1 cent and take profit. You know, then but I stop loss 0 lah. Okay. Then can I get the 1%, 1 cent? Very, very likely lah. Yes or no? But is it sound? Not sound. Do you follow what I'm saying? So do not go and do this lah. Okay, some people just say, oh, my hit rate 99% cannot. I also can do 99%. Reverse risk reward ratio, then can make 99% hit rate. But it's not sound. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's not sound. So don't get deceived. Okay. So yes, okay. Come and join us. Okay. For those that 99% hit rate, you know. Okay. So 90% hit rate, you all know how to get it? You all know how to get the 99% hit rate? Okay, like that lah. Okay. But please don't go and follow, because then you are not smart. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so don't get too caught up with the hit rate. Don't be so caught up with the hit rate. What is my hit rate? 90% hit rate. Because I can easily, I don't even need a strategy. I just say whatever you buy, 1% up, you take profit. Okay, if it drop 80%, still don't cut loss. Then of course you get 90% rate, but it's wrong. Do not follow this kind of method lah. Do you follow what I'm saying now? Hello? Okay. Okay. You can be correct a lot of times. You don't imagine you get 90% hit rate, right? You get correct. You suddenly were very excited. Wow, I'm stock trading genius. You know, then you last one you go and hood very big, then liao liao. Do you follow what I'm saying? So don't do that lah. Okay. Cannot. Oh, you 38%. Oh yeah. By the way, some of them, right? Some of them really got low hit rate. I have checked with 30% hit rate, make money still. Okay. So don't need to hit rate is important for what? Hit rate is important only if so that you don't get discouraged. Okay. On the other hand, I have a 10% hit rate, right? 10% hit rate, but profitable. People will not follow. Why? Because you wrong 9 times out of 10 times. People after 9 times out of 10 times, they give up every time. Even though the strategy is profitable, nobody will follow. Cannot follow. Do you follow what I'm saying? So hit rate is important so that you can control your trading psychology on it. Do you follow what I'm saying? You need maybe above 50%. Okay. But the point is, hit rate itself is not so important if you don't talk about your win-loss ratio. Okay, Warren Buffett also got cut loss on like the airlines, they cut loss, right? Okay, so we chit-chat a bit. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, want to end already? 1 hour already. Any other question? I share with you all study history. Okay, if you study history and in the premium members area, right? If you study history, it's going to be a very profitable. Last time I never listened to teacher, but if you study history, it's going to be very profitable for you all. Okay, like you see, you go and study the recession, what happened in recession, and kind of going to find old news and do that. So once you do that, right? That example, you say you study history. You see, subprime, right? How many watched this before? Subprime, right? The news came out in July, Okay, but the market initially recovered 100% after the price came out, So the subprime came out already. After that, the price, this S&P index clear new high, after the subprime news came out. Because around here, I think they cut interest rate. Then the price rally to break new high, then eventually dropped 57%. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so go and study history. Okay, later I'll go through index. Okay, sorry, I'm a bit not focused. Okay, so there's some more about charts one. Okay, so go and study it. Okay, So let's go through the index. Okay, let's go and go through the index. SPX. Okay, so SPX, you see that. So if you use strategy GPS, you will not buy this one. Yes or no? Because it didn't clear 6-month high. Yes or no? Okay, you wouldn't clear 6-month high. See here also never clear 6-month high. Yes or no? Okay, even though there's teeth here, but there's no arrow also. So this is not a stock that we will trade if you are trading the S&P index. Yes or no? Okay, we will not trade this stock if you are trading S&P index. At most, it's a sideways trend. At most, it's a sideways trend. So sideways trend, how do you know a sideways trend? Is you can go to here, weekly charts. You go to your position trade, sideways trend. Okay, so right now support is here. You see last week, right? The support went up here already. Previous week was here, then resistance is here. Okay, got it? Okay, so that is the support resistance for S&P index. Okay, so right now daily chart broke already. Yes or no? So if weekly charts also break, means liao liao. Okay, so around 2,770 around here. If we break below here, then I think further down. Got it? Okay. S&P index, any question? No question. I go through the rest quickly. HSI. I mentioned this one, right? Monday webinar, right? Okay. That we are on a swing trade setup for Hang Seng. Yes or no? Can you see the swing trade setup of Hang Seng? Oh, can you see? CCI go high here. Trend is down. Okay, CCI high. That is a short here on Hang Seng. Okay, next one is S&P STI. A secret or not? I'm thinking of buying. Yeah, this morning I just shared with my graduates. Those always kind of help out in SMT one. Okay, I shared with them that I want to buy STI, but not now lah. Okay, when it go back to here, I want to buy. Okay, maybe somewhere in August, September. If it go back down to here, I want to buy. Right now it's a short signal. Okay, see the CCI high here. Okay, I think they will go back down here again to test. Okay, so that may be a possible trade. Okay, because I don't foresee it will break below this trend line. I don't foresee that. Okay, so but must have holding power at least 1 year, 1 year to 2 years. Okay, so STI is something that I want to see. Hey, by the way, give me lightly, okay, before we end it. Okay, really like how to share the post, and people call me already. Okay, any question? I think the rest of the question, if you have individual stocks right now, then maybe I can answer them. Okay, STI, you can buy what we call the STI ETF. I don't buy now. Okay, prepare. STI ETF is ES3. Okay, ES3. Okay, you can buy ES3. Okay, for member of public, right? My view, okay, it's only my view, right? That 2 months later we will have bargains. Okay, 2 months later, potentially we have bargains. Okay, for property lah, for property, not for stock. Okay, so right now I check the price. Still is trending down, but it is still not panic sell yet. Okay, so it's trending down, but it's not panic sell yet. So must a bit like panic sell then good lah. Okay, for property. Where's my post? I cannot find my post already. Okay. Here, right? Okay. So what I'll do is August, September, right? Then if you want to buy property, I think you should be able to see the full impact. Okay. Then ask 20% below asking, whatever asking price, give 20% down. Okay. Now you can get about 4% yield already. Okay, so 4% yield right now is about 1.6% on a. If you're going to borrow money, right, it's about 1.65% fixed rate. It means it takes 2 years. You get 1.65% fixed rate. Okay, you can get 4% yield from the rental income, your spread is how much, okay? On top of that, provided the bank, the tenant pay rental, okay? Right, you can earn the spread also. Got it? Okay. So go into essential service, commercial property. Stocks also the same. Okay, stocks. I think buy essential stocks. Okay, banks will be affected, but on the rally back, when the rally back, first thing I'll look at is the bank. Oil and gas, I will stay out. Okay, airlines, I will stay out unless you got very long holding period. Okay, so very careful with the stock selection. Okay, so that's my view. Okay. Doesn't make it the right or wrong view, okay? Doesn't make it my view, okay? I will not buy residential. Residential, I will see. The yield is like, okay. By the way, I'm not a property investor guru, okay? I just look at numbers only. Of course, what I do is I look at a lot of numbers, okay? I look at a lot of numbers. So yeah, like you cannot sell me like, oh, here got very nice view and this one don't make any difference to me. I just ask, hey, can get rental or not? Or people will stay to rent or not. That's all. I don't care whether nice view or not. Okay. So that one not important to me. In fact, nice view, the price higher the one. Okay. Okay. So view on NASDAQ and Dow Jones, okay. So I tell the agent, right? Don't need to tell me the thing. I just look at numbers only. If you cannot get, I don't want already. No emotion on buy property, also no emotion. Just look and see one. Okay. Okay. Don't need to buy kopitiam. Okay. So on the weekly chart, can you all see this pattern, guys? Actually, it's scary. Okay. You have like a double top like that. Yes or no? Okay. Like a double top like that. Okay. So I already talk many times about my long-term view already, right? Don't need to keep repeating my long-term view already. Okay. Kopitiam expensive, okay. Okay, but oh yeah, REITs also may be a good idea when the market is really down. When we say we are in recession, okay, we are in recession. You know, I think coming soon when Singapore say we are in recession already, then I think can look at that also. Okay, REITs. But also must be careful because the REITs, some of them over leverage or cannot sustain one, then must be careful. Okay, but if those good one long term one I think Singapore is like a REITs playground, right? So I think REITs will be guys, do you all notice that the last I don't add on much trade already? Do you follow what I'm saying? So I think also when you scan, you will notice the number of stocks that came out is much lesser than last time. Yes or no? Well, it's telling you a signal. Okay, which type of REITs I will look for REITs that value add on. Okay, like example, like what is most hated REITs right now? Okay, so like retail REITs, all people will think, wow, jialat, retail REITs. But the effect will not come so fast. Okay, the effect will not come so fast. Let me just share with you. This kind is not traded GPS. Okay, this kind is like long-term investing kind one. Okay, so Capital Mall, right? And this kind, I feel this kind don't have cut loss one. This kind is just invest long-term one. Okay, so you can see from here the bearish signal. Capital Mall Trust, the price go up, the MA is sloping down, the CCI is high. Yes or no? Can you see? Okay, so technically it's a swing trade setup, swing trade sell setup. Yes or no? Technically it's a swing trade setup, but I'm not talking about next 1 month to trade. I'm talking about long term to buy. Long term to buy. My level will be here. Okay, my level will be here around 160. Okay, 160. I will want to see and buy already don't see okay, close eye okay, got it. Okay, so that is some industrial REIT. Ascenders also not bad. Okay, Ascenders also not bad. These are things that I will look at. Okay, in fact, they are not so affected by the COVID thing. Okay, but Ascenders, I must look at a good price. So I'll draw a trend line from here, or break down here, around here. So around back to here. Okay, some of these REITs, the yield is there one. Okay, you go and do your research. Okay, guys. Okay, please go and do some research. Around here, 230, 240, Ascenders REITs is something that I want to buy. Okay. Now, bearish candle. Can you see here? Bearish candle. I think if it drop good, then got chance to buy. Don't buy so fast. Okay, wait for me to buy, then you'll buy. Okay. In fact, I think if you all buy too fast, you all will be wrong. No? If you all buy too fast, you'll be wrong. No? Because anticipate, right? Oh, gonna drop, and buy now. Okay, then wrong. Okay. So I won't anticipate that. Okay, I will just wait for it to correct first. Okay, then I buy. Some of this is like this one is a bit parabolic already. So also if you buy already, I cannot immediately expect gains. Okay, cannot immediately expect gains. So this kind is like got money. Instead of buying property, right, you got transaction costs and things like that, and you go look at the tender and things like that. You can also buy a REITs, because REITs already geared already, right? Okay, it's already geared already, and can pay you the dividend also. The only thing is REITs cannot use, in a way, cannot use banks' money because because it's already cannot use leverage. Okay. But if you know, you can also learn how to do leverage. Okay, actually also cannot. That's like you need to know how to do the leverage. Okay. Now I'm thinking of how to shorten my list. You are still thinking of, because the webinar become very long nowadays. Okay, like this list is too long already. Okay, so I'm thinking of how to reduce. Okay, I won't want to do that. Okay, I won't want to do that. Okay, so property, if you want to buy, you must start looking. Okay, start looking already. Like, got time look lah. Okay, then do your maths. Understand not? Do your mathematics. It's all logical one. Okay, don't have luck one. All these things really don't have. I don't. Maybe got a bit of luck, but the luck is like 10%. Okay, the rest is still like very lucky. You can choose a tenant very jialat one, but. If not, it is still good. Okay. Okay. Talk enough already. What other things I want to do? Okay. If not, then let's call it a day. Thanks, guys. Wow, 455. Not bad. Can you give me a like or help me share? The rest, Gary, all this I will cover in our Monday webinar. Can? We cover in our usual webinar. Take away, guys. It's like that. Don't be emotional. Okay, what you want to do is, if there's a red signal, sell. Okay, don't go and hang on to wrong trade. Okay, if you're a longer term, of course you got more time. Okay, but if you're shorter term, if you're trading daily, example, trading daily swing, you must cut loss one. Okay, because it's only for a few days. Okay, but if you are doing investing, like very, very long term one, then wait. I think opportunity will come. Say I count, right? If let's say US recession started in February, you all saw the article, right? US recession started in February, right? So you're going to count 6 months. February, then plus 6 will be about August, September. Yes or no? Okay. Singapore recession maybe will come also. Okay. So from there, you plus 6 months. The average recession period is about 1 year, let's say 12 months to about 18 months. Okay, the average recession is like that. Okay, so let's say example, this one is deeper one, or it's faster one, right? Then see around there. So in between 9 months, 6 to 9 months, I think the area will get the bottom already. Got it? Oh. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Also, all start leaving. Thank you very much. See you all soon. Okay, bye.